Okay guys, good morning. Today I'm gonna cook or grilled pork belly with lemon cream sauce. Okay, so the belly, I slice it into like this size. Like this size, and then marinated with soy sauce and black pepper. Okay, and then for the lemon cream sauce, we need 3 and tablespoon of butter, 3 and 1/2 tablespoon butter, and then 1/4 cup cream, this one, and then 2 tablespoon lemon juice, this one, and then 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, this one, and 2 teaspoon parsley. Okay, so first we're gonna grill the pork. Okay guys, okay, so much 3 pieces first. We finish grilling the pork belly. Okay. Okay guys, so we're gonna get inside. Add all the ingredients guys. The lemon, the garlic powder, and then the parsley, the cream, and then the butter. Okay. Power to 20 seconds, burst in the microwave. Nya nakahuman na stirring, whisking well after its burst. Okay. Okay, we're gonna put it there. Okay. Put it there. And then 20 seconds medium heat. Wait, okay, nasayo. Okay, 20 seconds. Okay, that's it. Okay. Guys. Okay, put it back. 20 seconds again. Okay, let's try to stir again. Okay, put it back again. Okay, the butter is melted already, so it's done. Okay guys, so we're gonna pour it out. Look at that one guys. Grilled pork belly with lemon cream sauce. Okay, grilled pork belly with lemon cream sauce. Okay, let's taste it. There's a little one, so I want to taste this one. It's yummy guys. There's a bone. Look at that one, how beautiful it is. Our grilled pork belly with lemon cream sauce is done. Okay guys, thank you for watching and see you tomorrow for another recipe.